Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for Rose Cottage, Church Road in Leven. It is certainly not a cottage because it's a 4-bedroom, 3-reception, detached Victorian villa. It is massive inside and it's the perfect family home for someone. I'm going to take you on the tour. It's got many original features in it as well and you'll see them on the way. Okay, so here we are. It goes all the way. Here it is here. It's hardly a cottage because it goes all the way. Yes, we are still going, and we're still going, and we're still going, and we're still going, and we're going all the way along to the end, and that is your garage as well. That garage goes straight through into the back garden as well, so you can get easy access in through there. There's also access into the side is there through the gate, so you can get into the back garden, which is really the front garden, because this is the rear, but you come in from here, because you come in from the main road itself. So there's the road that comes along here in Scooney as we go along, and then we come into this area here. Most people don't even know this place exists, by the way, so it's a great wee area, nice and quiet and peaceful. You're only going to come in if you live here or if you're visiting someone here. Let me take you through this. Watch out for some of the stunning features as we come through. All the original doors in here, some of them dipped and stripped, but really on a modern twist on it as well. So here we are. This is the breakfast kitchen. Look at these worktops, quartz worktops as we come through. Now, beautiful, I would say ivory kitchen, gloss. So we've got the quartz worktops, and in here we've got the 1.5 drainer. We've also got a waste disposal unit. We've got integrated dishwasher. You've got your hob and your extractor above, and as we come across to the fridge and the freezer, and then you've got access over there for your wash machine. We've actually got a separate laundry here as well. Microwave at the top, Neff, and we've also got a Neff oven below there as well. But beautiful area. And this Carnadine style floor in here as well. And then we've got that door that goes out into the garden. But we're going to go out in a wee while, but we'll take you through off into the dining room here. So really good sized dining room, one of the first reception rooms in here. As you'll see, there's one thing this has got, it's got plenty of storage throughout the whole place. Now see the features on the doors, as you can see here. Look at that architecture and the mouldings and the facings and all that goes through there. That's the uniqueness of the Victorian style in this property. And as well as the balustrade, it goes up here, and then there's the doors I said, and then you've got the features above here as we go along the decorative cornice, all the way along. So some of the rooms have got them all the way along and all the way around, and that's all the original features in here as well. Off into the rear here, we have the first downstairs shower room. So downstairs shower room, there's also a shower room in the laundry. So you can see here, and they've got a separate WC in there as well, and a wee bit cupboard in there for storage. Beautiful hall, look at that beautiful front. We're going to go up the stairs first and then we'll come downstairs and show you everything else. This original restored Macintosh style window. Cupboard in here for storage as well. Some of the unique features about here. The storage and maybe a wee tool shed. But look at that. Look at that beautiful window. It's all been lovingly restored. As we pull back you can see the featured balustrade there. Balustrade. As we go through in this big massive upper landing, and the 4 bedrooms up here, and you've also got a dressing room which is currently utilised as a home office. First of the double bedrooms in here. Again, this features, see this hexagonal style bay window, as you can see, and that beautiful big sized double bedroom. And into the next double bedroom, towards what we really call the front, because it's looking out towards the sea, down Church Road, as we see. And here some of the original fireplaces are still here, cupboard for storage. This is where this home office, you can have a dressing room in here as well, but you've got a home office in there through that door that I showed you in the hallway, in the upper landing. See what I mean about the mouldings and facings all the way around. And the door furniture as well. There's that door there. The wee home office, but it could easily be a dressing room for you. I think it probably was a dressing room originally. And into what is effectively a master bedroom off here. This beautiful bay window. Look at that amount of light teeming in through that window. Wait till you see the view out there. It's glorious. And then your probably original picture rail round there, just below your cornice. In here, so you've got a window to the side, bringing in all natural light, but you've got this bay window to the front. I'm going to zoom in just to show people exactly where that is. There is the Firth of Forth, right there between the houses. You can see the sea right there. And right across, I think that'll probably be Berwick over there as well. So that's how close it is, just down the road there. We're going to talk about that more when I get into the garden at the front. Sneak peek at that garden. That is manicured out there. Nice elevated raised garden. So go in and look all the way around here. Again, these beautiful featured doors. Victorian style. And then off into your... Now this is an aqua clean toilet. So this is an aqua clean shower toilet. Now look that up and you'll know exactly what that does. No need for toilet paper, but that's what it is. And then you've got your beautiful bathroom here as well. Your shower head attachment onto the bath that you just take out. And again, that Carnadine style floor in there. Cupboard for storage. Attic room goes up there. Now, there's a lot of stuff up there actually, but you can see the window and we'll talk about that more when we get outside. But that is a huge attic room. That could be easily used and repurposed for something else. You can easily stand up in there. There's a huge amount of space up there as well. And then the final room, which effectively, I mean, it's got a single bed in it, but to be honest, you can get a double bed right across there. Right across the width of that room there to the front, and then easily get your wardrobe, freestanding wardrobe, and your drawers in there as well. So it's you know, it's like one of these new build double rooms in terms of size, but this is probably one of the most good sized single rooms I've ever seen. Cupboard to the rear again for storage. See the features in there, and that's one of the original features as well to here. Look at that. Even got that in the light switch. See that? Into here. Got that beautiful feature in there for that stairwell itself. Let me come off into the left hand side here and I'll show you the laundry shower room. So massive laundry. This is bigger than my first kitchen. So massive laundry in here. You can see the heater under the kicker board there, and space again for a tumble dryer, probably even a washing machine, plenty of cupboard space all the way around, and then as I said, you've got that walk-in shower room itself, cupboard over in the corner there as well. Now let me just take you into, we're going to go out that door last, so let me take you into the right hand side into what is a living room. So a real good sized living room. As you can see, across to the front there, one of the unique features is a bay window. That square, oblong style bay window to the front there, as you'll see as we come in. Beautiful timber and finish in here, wood finish all the way around. And again, you can see that similar style. And then the ceiling rose. And then the cornice. Gorgeous. And then across into the living room to the front here. So this is the final reception room downstairs. So massive living room, along the same line as the master bedroom upstairs. As we come round, you can see the window to the side there, and then that beautiful bay window to the front. Wait till you see the stonework out the front as well. And then you've got this, again, this beautiful Victorian style. It's in here. Probably some of the original features in here, all the way around. And I'll just come and let you see from a different angle as we take a look outside finally. As you can see, this could be the perfect family home for someone, especially with the garage to the side as well, and then off-street parking as well in here. And then this main front door reception as we go in, and I'm going to see you outside. See you in a minute. So here we are outside at the front door. This is glorious. Now we're sitting at 2:30 and the sun is just over here, just there. So literally in the morning, the sun's going to rise over there and it's going to come all the way around in this front garden. Remember, it's elevated from the road. All the way around, in here, keep going, keep going, keep going, and over here as well. And even when you come back from here, and you come back on the property, and you go way down at the bottom, it's still a perfect seating area, because literally if the sun's up that high, it's going to go right over these rooftops over here as well. So that is why that is perfectly positioned there to take advantage of the sun. It's probably the best sun trap and one of the best places to sit in the whole of the street, in the whole of the area. But look at this gorgeous property here. That's something else, isn't it? It's been lovingly maintained and looked after. And this front garden as well. What a garden. And then you've just got easy access onto there, through your front gate there, onto Church Road. And then along to East Links if you want. You can go back along to Man's Place and you go straight up round the corner up the High Street. So right along into the High Street itself. Down here, so straight down Church Road, you can get into Links Road. Off to your left hand side along is the Leven Links golf course. Previously an open qualifying golf course for the Open itself. And then you can go on the Links Road again, you can go back along if you want. To the right hand side and walk right along there, and it'll take you across into the High Street, but then further on it'll take you into the swimming pool. It'll then take you on to the train station at the back as well. So it's perfect for somebody that wants to commute. So it's the best of everything. Someone has got the right idea. Look at that. Got the right idea definitely here. Let me just take you around and I'll show you all the different features of where everything is. This is a nice wee seating area. You can see they've got the bench there. This is a big plot this is on. So this is just the garage, the rear of the garage, which looks pretty spectacular. And as I said, this is this oblong bay window area to the front we showed you in the sitting room. Front door, as I said, we were coming out of there in the first place. And this beautiful stonework on here as well. Kind of turret-like, maybe dare I say castle-like in terms of its design. All the way around there. And then across into here as well. And then there's where we came out from the kitchen, and then that gate to the side as we come round. And as I said, let's walk around again. As we come all the way around here, and finally sit in the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the sun. As I said, wonderful family home, isn't it? Okay, let me take a wee seat and give you a recap. You can see 4 bedroom, 3 reception, detached Victorian villa. You can see it's immaculate inside, a lot of original features in here as well. You've got that garage off to the side. You've also got the off-street parking that you can get. And then you've got this beautiful manicured front garden. Upstairs you've got that massive attic room. That's the window I was going to show you. Now, where is that window in comparison to what I had? Just let me see if I can show you. There it is there. Here it is here, look. That's it up there. See up the top of there? That's the window in the attic. And they've got a window to the rear as well, a Velux style window itself. So trust me, it is a massive attic room and it could be something special. It could be the perfect playroom for a family. It could be the perfect cave if you want to just disappear up there. You've got your own entertainment place. It's exactly what you want it to be for yourself. Proximity to everything, all the local amenities, easy access to everything as well, right across to the golf course. You're down to the beach as well. You're on the Fife Coastal Path. You're back along to the swimming pool. You're at the train station. You're at the High Street, and then easy commuting onto the A915 if you're needing to get in by car to Kirkcaldy or further along to the East Neuk as well. A perfect place. I could sit here all day long. I could just talk all day long and sit here, to be honest. It sits in the sun all day long and in the perfect family home, and you can see that yourself as we went round. It is gorgeous in terms of the features that you'll get, in terms of the stonework, in terms of the garden, in terms of where it is for everything else. It is the perfect family home for someone. Now, if you want more details or you want to inquire, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.